about 6:30 in the morning. Up early today. Letting the chickens out right now. Give them a little reset later today. And maybe get some other projects done around the house. It's funny, they're not even up.
He's right.
We are on the way to Home Depot to get a darker stain for our project. Home Depot. There she is.
Okay, you wanna follow. Okay, you follow where the flower. He guys you.
It is raining currently, so here's our ring footage, but this is the stain before, and for me, it was too orange, so I had to get a new color. And that is the new color. I'm loving it so far. I will have to do another layer, though. So the chickens have been outside all day. I saw them early in the afternoon, and then for the evening, I was inside or like in this wooden fence area staining the wood. And when I went to go check on them, there were only 3 in the coop. So that means I'm missing 6. And I have no clue where they are right now. Where's your sisters? Where'd your sisters go? So I thought I lost our chickens, but then I could hear the rustling on the leaves and on the fence, and I found them in here. So there they all are. Now I'm gonna grab them. Right, ladies? They're all back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? 1, 2. Okay, never mind. It's still 9. I thought that was 10. Yeah, they're all back in. So they were in this brush, completely behind it, which I realized they probably would have gotten stuck if they tried flapping out or jumping. So that's probably why they stayed there. So I'm definitely gonna get that trimmed over tomorrow. There they all are, because they were actually in there last night. As I was carrying them out, I realized they got stuck, I believe. Oh, now they just want to go back over. No, no, no. Today was a nice, relaxing day for the family. We've been watching The Night Agent, and we also played Call of Duty. And then Luna hung out and has been playing with her toys. It's been really fun. It's very relaxing.